This vulnerability talks about mainly two things. One is encryption, other one is hashing. So cryptographic failures commonly occur due to not encrypting sensitive data. Sensitive data in the sense storing credit card numbers, Aadhaar number, passport number, etc. Right? So why this is an issue? Because anyone with the database, if anyone hack the database, can read it from directly, read this data from directly, right? So this is one of the issue. The second one is if you are using weak or outdated cryptographic algorithms. Let's say if you are using MD5 or SHA-1 or DES. So these three are outdated. Okay. So if we are using these outdated cryptographic algorithms, these can be easily hacked. So we always go with the new cryptographic algorithms. The third one is improper password hashing. Let's say if you are storing the password plain text, right? This is an also issue where see there is a difference between encryption and hashing. I will also talk about those two. What is encryption? Encryption is the process of converting readable data into unreadable data using encryption key so that only authorized users can access it. So encryption is reversible. You can get back the original data using decryption key. So encryption is used mainly encrypting the sensitive data. Let's say SSN, Aadhaar, passport, bank details, credit card information, and securing data during transmission. HTTPS communication, email communications, or messaging apps. Let's say WhatsApp. WhatsApp is end-to-end encrypted, which means your personal messages or calls between you and people you choose. No one outside of the chat, not even WhatsApp servers, they can read your message. Okay, this is the advantages of encryption. See, let's say you encrypted passport number TAYI9 something. So you encrypted data plus key. Now, how do you decrypt? If the person is having the same key, you can easily decrypt it. Okay, so encryption, you have to encrypt with the key. Decryption, if you have the same key, you can decrypt your data. We talked about previously if you are using outdated cryptographic algorithms MD5, SHA-1, DES. These are vulnerable. So always use the latest cryptographic algorithm. Let's say AES. So this is the generate secret key. Once we have secret key, so use this secret key to encrypt my passport number. Okay, so how do you do encryption? It's very simple. Use the same secret key and encrypt your passport number. Okay, I also print it how it looks like. Now decryption. So how do you decrypt? I have used same key, same secret key which we generated initially. The same using same secret key I decrypted. Okay, I also printed decrypted text. Let's see. Let me run this class. There you see. So this is the encrypted passport number. This is original decrypted passport. So I already covered here two things. One is encrypt sensitive data, and the second one is always use AES like new cryptographic algorithms. Okay, next we will talk about improper password hashing. What is hashing? Hashing is the process of converting readable data into a fixed length unreadable value. That means hash, not encryption. Hash is different, encryption is different. Using a hashing algorithm so that original data cannot be retrieved. Very important. So hashing is not reversible, but encryption is reversible if you have a same key available. But hashing is not reversible. You cannot get back the original data. The same input can produce different hashes. Okay, you always use bcrypt or any other. So hashing is used for storing passwords. Okay, you can store the password, later you can verify it in the login system for matching. Example of hashing. So hashing can be used for password storage. So for this we have to create one bean called BCryptPasswordEncoder. Then wherever the password is there, you just use the BCryptPasswordEncoder and use the encode method and encode it. The encode can be used before saving your data into a database, right? You just do the password dot encode, use your password, so your password would be stored as a hash. I will show you. User encoded with bcrypt password encoder. It's saved like this, hashing. Okay, it's, we know that it's irreversible, not like encryption. Okay, this is the example for hashing. ఇలాంటి టెక్ టిప్స్, ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అండ్ ట్యుటోరియల్ కోసం టెక్వికాను ఫాలో చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.